Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add the Trust Wallet token to your Metamask wallet. So the easiest way there is go to coinmarketcap.com, then find Trust Wallet token. At this point it's at number 66. Go to the token itself and you'll see the contracts line and you'll see the option of the Metamask logo with the add to Metamask, which we press. Then the Metamask notification will appear. We'll have to wait for a few seconds, more or less. And we see the option add suggested tokens. Would you like to import these tokens with the TWT or Trust Wallet token present? So we just push add token. And that's the whole process. Let's go into the wallet itself and check. Just a second while the wallet loads. And let's scroll down. And we can see that TWT or Trust Wallet token has been added to our Metamask wallet. So that's how you do it. Please tell me in the comments below if you have any questions about this or any suggestions for new videos. Thank you very much and have a good day.